Welcome student in Christchurch Convent Digital Classes, subject Chemistry, class 12th. In this video we'll see about phosphorus and allotrophic forms of phosphorus. Phosphorus is found in many allotrophic forms, means having similar chemical properties but different physical state are called allotrophy. This phenomenon is called allotrophy, and the different forms of element are called allotropes. So the important forms of phosphorus are white, red and black. So there are three kind of important phosphorus: white, red and black. White phosphorus is a translucent waxy solid अर्धपारदर्शी वैक्स लाइक सॉलिड है या मोम के जैसा है. इट इज़ अ पॉइजनस इनसॉल्युबल इन वाटर. यह जहरीला होता है, पानी में घुलता नहीं है, बट सॉल्युबल इन कार्बन डाइसल्फाइड, बट CH2 में घुल जाता है. एंड ग्लो इन डार्क, अंधेरे में ग्लो करता है, चमकता है, जिसको कैमी एलिमिसेंस बोलते हैं. इट डिजॉल्व्स इन बॉइलिंग NaOH सॉल्यूशन. खौलते हुए NaOH सॉल्यूशन में घुल जाता है. इन एन इनर्ट एटमॉस्फेयर, और इनर्ट एटमॉस्फेयर में pH 3 देता है. फॉस्फीन गैस जो कि जहरीली होती है. फॉस्फीन गैस इज यूज्ड इन केमिकल वॉर. P4 plus 3 NaOH plus 3 H2O एरो pH 3 plus 3 NaH2 PO2 सोडियम हाइपोफॉस्फाइट बनता है फॉस्फीन के साथ. वाइट फॉस्फोरस इज लेस soluble and therefore more reactive than other solid phase under normal conditions because of angular strain in the P4 molecule or phosphorus molecule. P4 molecule, where the bond angle are only 60 degree, it readily catches fire in air to give dense white fumes of P4O10. So P4 plus 5O2 arrow, you will get P4O10. It consists a discrete tetrahedral P4 molecule as shown in figure 7.2. You can see the diagram of on the left hand side with green color, the molecule of P4 where the bond angle is only 60 degree. Now next important form of phosphorus is red phosphorus. It is obtained by heating white phosphorus at 573 Kelvin in inert atmosphere for several days. When red phosphorus is heated under high pressure, a series of phase of black phosphorus is formed. Red phosphorus have iron grey luster. It is odorless, इसमें कोई गंध नहीं होती, नॉन पॉइजनस, जहरीला नहीं होता, एंड इनसॉल्युबल इन वाटर, पानी में भी नहीं घुलता, एज वेल एज कार्बन डाइसल्फाइड में भी नहीं घुलता. केमिकली, रासायनिक रूप से रेड फॉस्फोरस लेस रिएक्टिव है, कम रिएक्शन करता है वाइट फॉस्फोरस की तुलना में. इट डज नॉट ग्लो इन द डार्क. You can see the diagram of red phosphorus. It is a polymeric. It is a polymeric means it forms polymer chain-like structure, contains the chain of P4 tetrahedral linked together in the manner as shown in figure 7.3. Black phosphorus has two forms: alpha black phosphorus and beta black phosphorus. Alpha black phosphorus is formed when red phosphorus is heated in a sealed tube at 803 Kelvin. It can be sublimed in air and has opaque monoclinic or rhombohedral crystal. It does not oxidize in air. Beta black phosphorus is prepared by heating white phosphorus at 473 Kelvin under high pressure. It does not burn in air up to 673 Kelvin. So next important gas is phosphine, pH 3. इसके पहले हमने अमोनिया निर्माण की विधि देखी थी लास्ट वीडियो में, जो कि इम्पॉर्टेंट है, एग्ज़ाम में आ जाती है। फॉस्फीन देखते हैं, फॉस्फीन गैस कैसे बनाई जाती है। फॉस्फीन की प्रिपरेशन, फॉस्फीन इज प्रिपेयर्ड बाय द रिएक्शन ऑफ कैल्शियम फॉस्फाइड with water or dilute HCl. The formula of calcium phosphide is Ca3P2. When react with 6 molecule of water, we will get CaOH thrice CaOH twice plus 2pH3. Now, when react with HCl, we will get 3 CaCl2 and 2pH3. In the laboratory, phosphine gas is prepared by heating white phosphorus with concentrated NaOH solution in an inert atmosphere of CO2. P4 plus 3 NaOH plus 3 H2 will get pH3 plus 3 NaH2 PO2, sodium hypophosphite. When pure, it is non-inflammable. Non-inflammable to the presence of P2H4 and P4 or P4 vapors. To purify it forms To purify it from impurities, it is absorbed in HI to form phosphonium iodide PH4I, which on treating with KOH gives off phosphine. The properties of phosphine gas, it is a colorless, इसमें कोई रंग नहीं होता. With rotten fish smell, सड़ी हुई मछली की तरह इसकी गंध होती है. And it is highly poisonous, बहुत जहरीली होती है. That's why it is used in chemical war. It explodes in contact with traces of oxidizing agent like HNO3, Cl2 and Br2 vapors. It's slightly soluble in water, हल्का सा पानी में भी घुल जाती है. The solution of pH3 in water decomposes. pH3 का solution पानी में यदि डला हो तो डिकम्पोज हो जाता है. लाइट गिविंग रेड फॉस्फोरस और H2 गैस निकल जाती है. When absorbed in copper sulfate or mercury chloride solution, the corresponding phosphides are obtained. You can see the example. 3Cu4 SO4 CuSO4 will get 2pH3. Arrow Cu3P2 plus 3H2SO4 3HgCl2 plus 2pH3 will get Hg3P2 plus 6HCl. So these are the equations. Phosphine is weakly basic like ammonia, gives phosphonium compounds with acids. When pH3 react with HBr, it will give you PH4Br. So addition reaction take place. Now uses of phosphine gases. The spontaneous combustion of phosphine is technically used in homes, signals. Containers containing calcium carbide and calcium phosphide are pierced and thrown in sea. When the gases evolve, burn and serve as a signal. It is also used in smoke screens. समुद्र में जब कोई जहाज डूब रहा होता है, जैसे टाइटैनिक मूवी में आपने देखा था, जब जहाज डूबते हैं तो खतरे का सिग्नल आसमान में छोड़ते हैं ताकि कोई दूसरा जहाज उस सिग्नल को देख ले, गैसेस के जलते हुए कलरफुल सिग्नल को, और उनकी मदद के लिए वहां पहुंच जाए. Now phosphorus halides means फॉस्फोरस के कंपाउंड जब वह फ्लोरीन, क्लोरीन और ब्रोमीन या आयोडीन के साथ रिएक्शन करता है. फॉस्फोरस फॉर्म्स टू टाइप्स ऑफ हैलाइड, PX3 एंड PX5 टाइप. PX3 में फ्लोरीन, क्लोरीन, ब्रोमीन, आयोडीन, एंड PCF5 में, PX5 में सिर्फ फ्लोरीन, क्लोरीन और ब्रोमीन के साथ बनाता, आयोडीन के साथ नहीं बनाता. PI5 नहीं होता. The phosphorus trichloride preparation, it is obtained on passing dry chlorine over the heated white phosphorus. P4 plus 6Cl2 arrow, you will get 4PCl3. It is also obtained by the action of thionyl chloride with white phosphorus. P4 8SOCl2. SOCl2 is the formula of thionyl chloride. It reacts with 4PCl3 plus 4SO2 plus 2S2Cl2. Properties: it is a colorless, oily liquid and hydrolyzes in the presence of moisture. PCl3 plus 3H2O arrow S3PO3 plus 3HCl, it reacts with organic compounds containing OH groups such as acetic acid and ethyl alcohol. It has a pyramidal shape as shown in figure on the left hand side, in which phosphorus is an sp3 hybridized state. Now phosphorus pentachloride preparation. Phosphorus pentachloride is prepared by the reaction of white phosphorus with excess of dry chlorine. P4 plus 10Cl2 will get 4PCl5. It can also be prepared by the action of SO2Cl2 on phosphorus. You'll get PCl5 plus 10SO2. SO2. Properties: PCl5 is a yellowish white powder in moist air. It hydrolyzes to POCl3 and finally gets converted into phosphoric acid H3PO4. When heated, it sublimes but decomposes on stronger heating, and it converts into PCl3 and chlorine gas. It reacts with organic acid containing OH group and converting them into chloro derivatives. Ethyl alcohol, when react with PCl5, will get C2H5Cl plus POCl3 plus HCl. तो हेलो एल्केन बनाने के लिए एथिल अल्कोहल की रिएक्शन PCl5 से करा सकते हैं, और एसिटिल क्लोराइड बनाने के लिए एसिटिक एसिड की रिएक्शन PCl5 से करा सकते हैं. So this is the diagram of PCl5. In the solid state, it exists as ionic solid in with cation PCl4 plus is in tetrahedral, and anion PCl6 minus is octahedral. Finely divided metals on heating with PCl5 give corresponding chlorides. For example, 2Ag plus PCl5 arrow will get 2GAgCl plus PCl3, and with stannous you get SnCl4 and 2PCl3. It is used in the synthesis of some organic compounds like haloalkane and acetyl chloride. In gaseous and liquid phases, it has a trigonal bipyramidal structure as shown. The three equatorial PCl5 bonds. The bond between phosphorus and chlorine are equivalent, as you can see here in the diagram. While the two axial bonds are longer than equatorial bonds, this is due to the fact that the axial bond pair suffers more repulsion as compared to equatorial bond pairs. Oxoacids of phosphorus. In the next video, we'll see about the oxoacids of phosphorus. These are important. We'll see in the next video. Thank you for watching.